Hey everyone, in this video we will have a look at factorising non-monic trinomials. Now the term non-monic trinomials means that the constant in front of x squared is not equal to 1, so any number excluding 1. So to factorise such quadratics, what we need to do is we need to first of all find factors of a times c. We then need to find factors of a times c that when added give us b. So let's have a look at an example. So over here I have 6x squared plus 19x plus 10. So step 1 is to find factors of a times c. So remember it's ax squared plus bx plus c. So in this case it's 6 times 10 and that's 60. Now step 2 is that these factors when added should give me b. So factors when added should equal to b. We can draw up a table to help us find the factors of 60. So over here I'm going to write a times c, and that is 6 times 10, and that gives me 60. Now to its left I'm going to write b, and my b is 19, and I should obtain this by addition. So let's have a look at the factors of 60 that when added give us 19. So I could have 6 times 10, that gives me 60. When added, that gives me 16. I can have 5 times 12. Again, when added, that gives me 17. I could have 4 times 15. Now when added, that gives me 19. 3 times 20, that gives me 23. 2 times 30, that gives me, when added, 32. Now, you don't have to do all the list. Once you reach b, you could stop. And remember, b was 19 in this case. So the factors of 60, when added, that gives me 19, is 4 and 15. So what I now need to do is replace 19x with 4x and 15x, because that gives me 19x. Okay, now I can replace the b, which was 19x, with my factors. I'm going to rewrite this. And instead of writing 19x, I'm going to write down plus 15x plus 4x plus 10. Because 15x plus 4x gives me 19. So I will have a look at two terms at a time and find the highest common factor. So the highest common factor of 6x squared plus 15x is 3x. And the highest common factor of 4x and 10 is 2. I can now take a 3x on the outside. Now 3x times something should give me 6x squared. That's 2x. And 3x times something should give me 15x, and that's 5. Now I have 2x plus 5, and my aim is to get the same factor with the next two terms. So I'm going to take 2 outside, and I'm hoping to get 2x. So 2 times something should give me 4x, well that's 2x. And 2 times something should give me 10, and that's 5. Now over here I have 2x plus 5 and 2x plus 5. I can now take that outside as a common factor. Remember to put the brackets. Now 2x plus 5 times something should give me 3x times 2x plus 5 plus 2 times 2x plus 5, and that's what's left over here. That's 3x plus 2. Now a question that's often asked is, okay, you've grouped 6x squared plus 15x, but would the same thing work if I've grouped 6x squared and 4x? So let's quickly have a look at that. So 6x squared, and instead of writing 15x, I'm going to write plus 4x. I'm going to write plus 15x plus 10. So this time I'm going to group these two and these two over here. I'm going to find the common factor. Now the common factor over here, well, the highest common factor is 2x. I'm going to have a look at here, and over here the highest common factor of 15x and 10 is 5. Or I'm going to take out the highest common factor 2x. So 2x times something should give me 6x squared, and that is 3x. And 2x times something should give me 4x, and that's plus 2. Over here, I'm going to take out the 5. So 5 times something should give me 15x. That's 3x. And 5 times something should give me 10, and that's 2. Over here again, I have the same factors, so I can now take that outside. So 3x plus 2, and I'm left with 2x plus 5. And that is the exact same factors as we found over here. So because it's multiplication, order doesn't matter. I could have 2x plus 5 first, or I could have it at the end.